Welcome to the sweet world of pistachio baklava. Today, we'll take you through the steps to create this irresistible dessert. Let's kick things off by preheating the oven to get that perfect bake. Now, if your phyllo pastry sheets are frozen, give them a gentle thaw according to the package instructions. While they're thawing, mix up a tantalizing combo of finely chopped pistachios and aromatic ground cinnamon. To prevent any sticky situations, generously butter a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Handle those delicate phyllo sheets with care and keep them moist with a kitchen towel to maintain their freshness. Layer by layer, paint each phyllo sheet with melted butter, creating a golden, buttery canvas. Don't hold back. Sprinkle that heavenly pistachio cinnamon blend generously over the layered pastry. Repeat the layering, alternating between buttering and adding that delightful pistachio cinnamon mix. Once assembled, a few strategic cuts turn this into a beautiful mosaic of flavors. Into the preheated oven it goes, where magic happens in about 30 to 35 minutes. While our baklava is getting its golden tan, let's whip up a luscious syrup. A symphony of flavors comes together in a saucepan, creating a sweet, aromatic syrup. As soon as the baklava emerges, we pour that warm syrup, letting it soak into every nook and cranny. And now, the grand finale. A sprinkle of crushed pistachios for that delightful finish. And there you have it, a batch of our irresistible pistachio baklava. Serve it at room temperature or slightly chilled, accompanied by your favorite hot beverage for the perfect dessert experience. Thank you for joining us on this sweet culinary journey. Stay tuned for more delightful recipes and tips from Sodini, your partner in culinary adventures.